Hey, crafty cuties. Welcome back to Paper Terrace. If you're new, my name is Jess, and I'm so glad you are here. We're going to open up a fun package today, and this is going to be probably a pretty quick video for today. I've mentioned that I am on, well, my kids are on their summer break, and I am the one that takes care of them majority of the time, and so some videos are just going to be kind of more laid back, quick, easy videos. Today, I almost was going to hold off on filming this because I would love to do a project with the items that I am receiving in here, but quite honestly, that's going to make me overdo it all. I got so much going on. However, I just wanted to at least be able to share these lovely things. And how do I know they're lovely? Well, that's because they are coming from a lovely friend who has been around for a very long time here on Paper Terrace. And she has a shop called Boho Needs, and she has gorgeous fabrics and trims that are all like a bohemian style. And I have always just loved that they come from India. She curates these junk journal kits so beautifully, and so I wanted to show what she was sending. I don't actually exactly know, but looks like she sent me a little note too. I will probably just read this off camera, but she might have given me some information about what's in here, but I'll add any other information below. Let's just get into it. Many of you have shopped with her because of my recommendation. I know that. Let's see here. We can kind of just rip this off. If you've been like dying to make bohemian junk journal or any type of like a bohemian junk journal type project, this is a lovely way to gather many of her supplies, many bohemian supplies, and just have a really good variety. So it looks like there are 2 different kits, and from what I remember in her message, this is going to be similar to one that I showed before, which you guys loved, and it's like a peacock themed kit. Oh, it is stunning. I'm going to try my best to do an actual project with these kits soon, but again, just know I have limited time for extra, like, I call these more of my fun creative projects. They're things that I just want to do for me. It has nothing to do with like my business or anything, and unfortunately I don't get a lot of time for those types of projects. So let's go ahead and I'll show you everything that's in here. Oh, the trims are just stunning. I'll tell you that what I was wanting to make time for today, I want to make some type of a file folder, an expandable file folder, like junk journal project. That was what I had in mind, like with different slots for different like tags and decorative junk journal cards and envelopes and things like that. And so that was what I was wanting to make, but I'll have to wait. Oh my gosh, this is fun. I don't think I've ever seen this. This is like my new favorite. That is awesome. I love the blingy ones too though, but I love that. We've got some peacock themed trim. Such a beautiful variety. And you'll just, if you are interested, you'll want to check out her site, and her listings will describe everything that's in the different kits that she has. We'll just go through the fabrics now. So you get a really nice variety of fabrics. Perfect if you want to do like a patchwork style journal, or you can make several journals with the fabrics as well. A nice iridescent colored one. That's really pretty too. All of these go together so nice. And I love the different textures too. Oh, fun. Look at that one. You almost got to see them in the sun because they're just all so sparkly. We'll put all of the other things off to the side. Got like a velvety, and by the way, a lot of these I'm not unfolding, but they're all a decent size of fabric. So many different ones. Those little tiny mirrors are cool. Let's see. Let's go ahead. Yeah, let's check out. I'm guessing there's papers and things in here. Yes, this is, I loved this kit. So if you're like already wanting ideas for something like this, I did some type of a project with this similar kit. This might be a little bit different, but I love the different little, look at that, embellishments. That's a fun little like peacock themed envelope. It looks like you get some cut out little die cuts and things like that. How cute are these? These would be fun on the cover of a peacock themed journal. You get quite a few of those, and then some little vellum pieces as well. Let's see. And then you get some smaller pages, or these might not be pages, but like kind of like junk journal cards and little ephemera pieces. These are on like a thicker cardstock. Some bookmarks. Yeah, you get some different junk journal cards. These are like a 4x6. Ooh, really pretty images, and these are printed on some really nice paper. Oh, I love the colors in that one. So pretty. You get some extra pieces. And then you get some papers. This is a fun one. I like how this is like distressed. So these are kind of like a junk journal kit. So you can fold them in half if you want, and then they're junk journal pages, or you can cut them and use them however, but this one's double-sided. I don't know if they all are. It looks like this is a really nice kit. Now, I've always loved her kits, but I gotta say something. I'm seeing some, she has definitely made like some improvements, and I don't know how else to say it. I don't think that she needed to, but like the quality has definitely increased, and I don't even know how that was possible. I just love everything that she's included, and I love that she includes other pages in these kits that go along with it, but then like not every single page is like a peacock, you know, different textures. She has always included lovely embossed papers in her kits. So yeah, this just seems like, I feel like I could be wrong here, but it seems like you're getting a lot more in these kits as well. So that's always nice to see, because we know that supplies and things, the costs are never going down. They're always going up. So to see a kit like this improved or have more in it, definitely worth what she is charging. And then you get these beautiful sari ribbons. You can use these as closures, tag toppers, you know, different things like that. Oh my gosh, some gorgeous jeweled pieces. Oh, these are like appliques, I guess. Yeah. So pretty. Wow. And then a lovely pack of beads and tassels. These are always so beautiful and fun to play with, and they just match perfectly. And then I'm not sure what's in here, but this is nicely protected, whatever it might be. I should be careful since it has that bubble wrap. Ooh, what is this gonna be? I think it might be a pin. I hope I didn't just damage it, because I kind of pulled on the bubble wrap a little hard there. But I think we're good since it was wrapped so well. Wow. Oh my. Now I really wish I had time to do something with something like this. And I love that it's a pin because that's just easy to attach, you know? A lot of times when you have like metal pieces, it can be tricky to know how to attach them, but I love that. So that was just the first kit, and stunning, loved everything in that. Let's take a peek at this pink one. And I know that she knows that I love pink, so I'm very excited for this as well. And I love the greens that go with it too. All right, let's get started with just how it's in order. This is a really fun little tassel kind of thing that could be fun on the edge of a journal. Different sari ribbons. Beautiful appliques. Some beaded applique pieces. Oh my, look at that. It's like a cross stitch. That would be so pretty on the cover of a journal. And then we get into the trims, and this is where I just like, I am obsessed with these trims so much. Last Christmas, around Christmas time, I made a journal collection, and I used a bunch of her trims on those journals, and holy moly, those journals turned out so pretty. So I would love to make some more like this style journals. Look how fun that is. I love the butterfly and everything about this. I love this kit so much. Holy moly. I love how it's all like, I don't know what you call this. I don't know if it's needlepoint or if it's like embroidery, but I am in love with it. Oh, this makes me want to just craft so bad just for fun. Make something out of this stuff. Look at that. That's really pretty too. And then we have some pretty kind of lacy pieces. Oops, let's go like that. This is just such a fun pack of fabrics and trims. We'll put that to the side and keep it. Oh, there's even more. I thought we were done with fabric. We've got a nice shimmery, ooh, that is so gorgeous color. This floral is so cute. It's very sheer, but very cute. And another one of the kind of embroidery pieces. These are so fun. All right, take a peek at what's in here. Oh, I guess it makes sense. Look at that. So it's supposed to be kind of like, that's the whole point, is that it's all kind of like embroidered, I guess is the word. Oh my gosh, what a cute kit. Okay, I was obsessed with the Peacock one, but now that I see this, like, I am obsessed. This would go along so well. I recently made little miniature embroidery hoops, and oh my gosh, this makes me want to make a project with these so bad. So many cute little pieces. A gorgeous tag. Oh my goodness. These are stunning. Holy moly. This... Oh, I think this is on sticker paper. Pretty sure. Look at that. And I'm pretty sure that she like hand cuts these out, and that is so much work. I just love that her kits are so beautifully curated, but then they still have that little element of handmade, even though they're like supplies for you to, you know, work with. Look at how adorable all of these are. I am just like in love with this. Did we already look through all? Yeah, I think so. Sorry, I'm getting sidetracked here. Oh, I think I forgot to peek. Then we got journal cards. Whoops. So we have different papers too. We have like a vellum or a few vellums, and they still have that embroidery touch to them. Oh my gosh, look how cute. What a cute junk journal kit. Ah, I am actually obsessed. And then this is kind of fun. You get some like kind of, I don't know if these are wooden or baseboard. I'm not sure. Well, this is definitely fun and kind of different too. Some little wooden frame pieces, some different little shapes to work with. Yeah, that is really fun. I like that a bunch of them have little holes. You could use them as a charm. You could do something fun with these. I bet that's why she included them, but oh my gosh, what if you like do something like this? You make a miniature little embroidery. That's probably why she did it. Like even the teeny ones would be cute. Oh, how fun. I mean, you could also use like the paper. Oh my gosh. I am going to try really hard to make some time soon to, I want to play with both of these kits, but this one I am obsessed. Oh, and these trims will look so beautiful on the tags here. Thank you so much for sending me these lovely kits. They are stunning, and you are just wonderful at putting these together. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I feel very spoiled, and I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this unboxing. I will see you guys soon, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.